So guys, what I got here today, yeah, we got a black dishwasher. So what I got here, I funneled here. If you look at that, I put a tube here, and as you see, I've connected that, stuck it in the water over here, and right about here, it's gonna drain all that gooey gunk in the bottom of your dishwasher out. And this is a syringe I use to get it going. As you see, we got the engineer over here, draws it out here, and get it going. Shoot it out of that plastic tube, and work its way down here, start a collective motion. As you see, all that water's just draining out right there. It's kind of simple, really. A bit time consuming. And the reason why I use the tube really is because sometimes you can't get in there yourself. Like you got a heavy handed and you can't really get in there. But sometimes, because normally I'll put the syringe in here itself and go directly to the water source. But as you see, there's just too much water. So I put a tube, and just like siphon it out. Got a suction vacuum motion going down the tube. Straight out there. That's all that gunky water there. So you don't need a syringe. Gotta get a tube. There you have it. That's just changing God. Too much water in that one there. So hopefully this has been kind of helpful for you. I know sometimes you're looking for a great fix for these things, but sometimes it's just easy. Just get that water out there. What will happen when you get the water out there? The float will go down, and it'll find the equilibrium for the float, and it'll just all reset, basically. Because what's happening is down here is the float is gone up to emergency level, which means it's telling the machine that it's overflowing. So when that all goes down, the float inside that also will go down to a level which now telling the machine is back to normal. But you gotta get that water down because there's a bubble in there that's floating up to the top. That's cutting off the machine from being active. So all we're doing is get rid of all the excess water, and we'll get rid of all the excess water. What will happen is the float inside the machine will go back down to a safety level and tell the machine we're back to normal. It's A-OK. We're going to be posting more videos up here. This is just a quickie for you, so subscribe below and have a look at the random rants. Okay, cheers. You take care now. See ya.